Because we help our clients live their ideal retirement, we tend to think about how can we make their lives better, both on the financial side and becoming more confident with their money, but also on the mental side and just making sure that they're living truly fulfilled lives. So when I came across these 3 videos, I wanted to share them with you. If you're nearing retirement or if you're already in retirement, these can help you make a better future. Welcome back, or if I haven't met you yet, I'm Dave Zoller and I own Streamline Financial with Tim and Luke and Sean, and we specialize in retirement income planning, investments, and withdrawal strategies. But in this video, I want to share a few non-financial other videos that I came across that could be helpful for you. So I'll summarize them to maybe save you some time, but I'll also link to them in the description below. The first one is titled, "Is Retirement Bad for Our Brain?" And the speaker posits that there's really a hidden dangerous side to retirement that can actually speed up aging or hurt our brain. And it all has to do with the decisions that we make in retirement and how really we view what retirement is. He says that many people, they go into retirement with this view that it's going to be a permanent vacation, which makes a lot of sense because work is removed from the equation and from our life. But his studies show that this can actually speed up aging. So he recommends spending and continuing to invest your time into challenging endeavors and investing your time in discovering what really truly matters to you and making sure that we align our money and our values and how we spend our time and just make sure that we have the right hobbies and possibly re-engage with family in a more complete way and don't disengage and just spend it as a vacation, but be wise with those minutes and invest them into things that are challenging and meaningful. If there's something that you're doing that's meaningful, it'd be interesting to hear what it is in the comments below. So please do share. The next video is titled, "Older People Are Happier." In this video, the speaker reveals some of her studies and showing how older people are indeed happier and why that may be. She believes that it's grounded fundamentally in the ability to monitor time, and not just by the clock on the wall or the day-to-day time, but in lifetime. Older people have more of a realization that we're not going to live forever, and that causes older people to savor life and to just spend less time in trivialities and really appreciate more of the life. And when you do that, life just continues to get better and better. Then the third video, but first, if you like this sort of video focused on retirement, both financially and non-financial, then click the like button, please. But that third video is "Life's Third Act." That's the title. And the speaker is Jane Fonda. And she shares how the world operates on a universal law, which is called entropy. And it's the second law of thermodynamics. I can barely say it. And it means that everything in the world is in a state of decline and decay. There's birth, and there's growth, and then there's decline. But there's one exception to the law, and that's the human spirit, which can continue to grow and expand upwards, bringing us into a more full and whole and life full of wisdom. I like this video because it's going to leave you with greater excitement and anticipation about this next stage of life. So those are the 3 TED Talks on retirement and aging, and I hope that you found them useful, and I'll put the links below if you want to watch them. If you're planning your retirement and you're more of a do-it-yourselfer, check out the DIY retirement plan below as well. And then subscribe so that I can see you in the next video. Take care.